All right, go ahead.
Hi everyone, welcome to
Grounded Haven Homestead.
Grounded Haven Homestead. Now this is going to be a super excited video because you're going to see a lot of plants here. Of it, a lot.
So today we are doing a potato harvest and we have a special helper with us.
Yeah, it's me, Elijah. And Uncle Aaron's there. And I'm just here. So guys.
So let me show you the potatoes and then we're going to get harvesting.
Yeah.
So this is the potato patch we're going to be harvesting today.
What?
And the potatoes in here are red potatoes, I think mostly. I have the tag in here somewhere. Here it is, red Norland potatoes. So we're going to dig in here and see what we come up with.
All right, we're going to start pulling.
Yeah. You pull them and then me and Elijah will look for potatoes.
We got some potatoes here.
Do you see this? Look at that. Cool. Look at that. So many.
Let's move this so we don't trip on it. Yeah.
You gotta know your angles. You're blocking the camera.
Oh, hi.
That's one of the first rules.
Wow. Okay, you want to hold this up to the camera so they can see the potatoes?
These are the potatoes. Isn't that crazy? Oh, Michelle back there is just being funny too. See? Okay, look at these potatoes. See?
Where do they come from?
They came from the ground.
Wow.
Anyways, so stay tuned. This is crazy.
That's pretty good for one plant, huh?
Look at that. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Look at all of these. Look at all of these. Isn't this crazy? Look at how good those look. Look at how good these look.
Nice.
Wow. All right, let's pick the next one. I'm going to pull this one.
Look at how cute that baby is.
All right, here we go. Next one. Ugh.
A little smaller, those ones, I guess.
Smaller. Oh, another big worm, though. Hello.
Look how cute. Oh, so cute. It looks like a tomato.
Mm.
There you go. Yeah. There you go. I'm trying to do it over the bed. There you go.
Look at how good these look.
Wow, look at these guys still on the ground.
Oh. Hey, worms.
Yeah,
Hey.
see that centipede that just went by?
Centipede?
Yeah. There you go. Use those muscles.
Yeah.
There you go.
We got quite a few. If you can just see.
That's a little.
We found a lot so far. Don't you think?
There you go. I'm finding more in there. Look at that.
Gosh. We have so much.
There you go. There you go, almost.
Almost.
Want me to help you?
Here, Aaron can loosen it a little bit. If you go
There,
to...
let me. I don't want to stab anybody. But... There you go.
Whoa, there you go.
There you go.
Still a quick feel of
Yeah, grab them.
Yeah,
Dig in there.
this one. Alright, it's kind of heavy.
It's not. Guys, look at how much we got. It filled up the whole basket. See? Isn't that crazy?
Hold it up and show.
Ugh.
Wow. Wow.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.